In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Oberlo on AliExpress. So I'm going to show you step by step how this works. And yeah, it's actually quite simple. So if you haven't already installed Oberlo, I recommend clicking on the video on the iCard right now, and I'll show you how you can install it. But let's just assume that you've already installed it on your browser. What you want to do is go to AliExpress, and then you can click on any product on the website. So we'll just go with this over here. And then once you do that, you want to click on a product. So you can use Oberlo to import products to your Shopify store, for example. So once you're on a product page, you should be able to see Oberlo in the bottom right corner. You want to click on that Oberlo icon. Once you do that, it's going to import this product that you're currently on to Oberlo. So once you do that, you can click on Open Import List, and you'll see the product. So as you can see right there, it's now adding this product. This one over here is another product that I've already imported onto Oberlo, but you can see that as of right now, it's importing this current product, and it just did. So we have the title over here, which we can customize and change if we want. We have collections, so you can add it to a collection. You can add a type, you can insert tags, you can change the description, you can see the variants. So all of this is available on Oberlo. You can also use the images, so you can select pretty much all the information and images from AliExpress in Oberlo like right away. You can then click on import to store, and once you do that, you're going to send this product over to your Shopify store. So using Oberlo on AliExpress, you can import a product from AliExpress directly to your Shopify store. So if I just go to products right now, I'm not sure if it has updated. Yes, because you can actually see it over here. You can actually see the product in your own Shopify store. And yeah, that's how you can use Oberlo on AliExpress. It's quite simple and it's really convenient. So yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments down below. Leave a like on this video if this helps you out, and then I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.